Okay, here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Tuesday, May 25th, 2010. At E-mini Day Trader, we always like to start with our market profile. So this is the market profile from today and its corresponding volume profile. This is what occurred overnight, and this is the profile from yesterday and volume profile from yesterday. Um, well, we had said that possibly 66 could act as some sort of support. Uh, it, it, well, it for a very short period of time overnight it did. And then, of course, we had our low that was just formed last Friday as the next target. Then the next one was down below 30. I mean down below 40, just below 40, which is where it got to overnight. So the regular trading hours came in here. It started to get bought up right away. Opened in here, had a little bit of a dip, but then basically rallied most of the day. And so we really think if that 66 area can hold again, there's no reason why this market could not get back up there and test the, well, it's already gotten to the next barrier up around 74, but it could easily get even right back up to 88. And if it can hold above 88, then the sentiment has certainly changed on an intraday basis, and we'd probably even get a continuation of days higher. So that's something to look forward to overnight and then tomorrow. Here's the regular trading hours profiles as well, and we like to use them in our analysis. Here's our software for today. So we ended up with having 5 trades today. And they all actually worked out great. We had actually today was an $1,100 day when you consider trading 4 contracts. We had 5 trades and they all worked out great. Our very first trade of the day was a long trade down here after the market had rallied a bit. So we got long there and it had a nice bounce higher. So that was the first trade of the day. You can see that there was this other long trade triggered right here, but our filter had just turned gray just a few minutes before that, gray being neutral. So I'm not even counting this trade as one of the trades that we took today, although certainly some of our traders would have taken that based on the underlying structure that we had to work with. The next trade, we actually had a couple of trades. We had a long there and a long there, and both of those trades had nice bounces to them. Not huge bounces, but they're both money makers. So that was trade 2 and trade 3. And then as the market moved along, went sideways for a bit, then started to rally up again. You can see we had a couple of lines right here. These were buy limit orders that did not pull back, but we did get filled on this one, as you can see right here. Had a really nice move higher, and so we're nicely profitable on that one as well. And that was our 4th trade. Our 5th trade was a little bit after that. It had pulled back, and then we ended up by getting in right here fairly soon after getting stopped out on that other trade for another long trade. So we had 5 trades today, all on the long side, and all did very well. For example, the first trade here, it moved 6 points in our favor. These other 2 in the middle here, they averaged about 2.5 points in our favor. And then these last 2 trades here, they both really had nice bounces too. And the one that we got long from 61.50, it rallied about 7 points in our favor. So that was a nice move up on that trade. And then the last trade there, it moved about 3.5 points in our favor. So you can see that these trades all, our trade location today was great. I mean, I think the average offside we had on these trades was just above 2 ticks. So it was actually average offside was less than 3 ticks per trade. So we're really, the software just really did its job today and gave us some fantastic trades. So we actually ended up today with 88 ticks, which works out to $1,100. That's before commissions. So a nice day. We had the same day last Friday. Same day meaning it was also, I think that was either 1,100 or 1,050. And of course this is based on 4 contracts and our basic trade protocol. So it's nice to see the market moving so well and so readable over these last few days. We only had one trade yesterday, and it was a winner. So things have been looking really good here, and hope to see more of it. So any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Always look forward to your questions and comments. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.